So it'll be a kind of a way of separating the field, and probably maybe nobody will get to the top, or maybe just, one competitor. So those are the 3 disciplines that will be competing.
Fuck!
As a climber yourself, what does it mean to you that sport climbing is debuting at the Olympics?
I mean, for me, I think it's so exciting. Long, but especially when I was kind of in the prime of my competition lifespan, it didn't seem like it was going to happen. So the fact that
in 1 3/4 miles, arrive at 3745 Cedar Avenue South on the left.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Prices going up,
anything going right on this country, the border wide open, you're going to have people flooding into our school districts, flooding into our hospitals. Law enforcement is overwhelmed. Towns are overwhelmed. And let me tell you why he's doing it. Let's be blunt. He wants to turn Texas blue. He wants to turn Arizona blue. This street politician from Wilmington, Delaware, the dumbest man to ever serve in the Senate, the dumbest man to ever be vice president, is now the dumbest man to ever be president. He's got a massive ego. He's a narcissist. He wants to go down in history as the greatest president. He's going to go down in history as the greatest disaster. He's doing more to weaken this country than the communist Chinese could ever print.
How's it going? Yeah?
Didn't recognize you.
Yeah, I'm just going.
Camera?
Yeah.
Why?
So that when I drive around and stuff, you know, for insurance. So.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, I said you don't make noise around here.
What's the problem?
What's the problem? You're waking people up. I don't want.
I know, but that's
don't
how
let
it
me
starts.
see you here around here again. You understand?
Why?
Because you're making noise. Don't make noise.
It's not my fault, man. It's a carbureted bike.
I don't give a shit. Don't bring it around here. Don't let me see you around here again.
Why?
Because you're making too much noise.
There's no law before 11 p.m.
You live here.
Yes, I do live here.
You're the guy that lives here, whatever.
Yeah.
I don't care about the law. You're disturbing
You
the
don't
peace.
care about
Sorry,
the
man.
law?
I'm not
Well,
doing it
what
on
happened
purpose, man.
Damn. Don't make noise
I'm trying not
around
to
here.
do it on purpose, man. It's just
Yeah,
how it starts
because you
out.
just woke me up, that's why.
I'm sorry about
Boom,
that.
boom, 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 boom. It's the second time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
But
don't let
it's
me
a bike.
see you around.
It's like this.
Don't bring it here.
I come here all
You're
the time.
waking people up. I don't care. Park somewhere else. Don't let me see you around here again.
I don't have private parking here,
It's a
man.
warning.
Warning about what? Warning about what? What's the issue?
You're going around disturbing people, waking people up.
I'm not disturbing anybody,
I don't want to
man.
talk to you. Let me see you around here again.
Okay, go to bed.